Hello guys, this is Mr.Romany Shafeek. I'll explain today the square root of a perfect square rational number. The square root of a perfect square rational number. Okay, the positive square root of the number 25. Square root of 25 equals, you have to look for a number which if multiplied by itself to get 25. Yes, excellent. 5, because 5 times 5 equals 25. The negative square root of the number 16. Negative square root of 16 equals negative, what is a number which if multiplied by itself you get 16? Yes, excellent, it's 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16. And don't write negative 4 multiplied negative 4 equals 16, because we are looking for the negative square root, the negative one. So our answer equals negative 4, not 4. Okay? Another question. The two square roots of the number 49. What is the number which if multiplied by itself you get 49? Positive or negative square root 49 equals positive or negative? 7. Excellent. Remember that. Number 1. Square root of 0 equals, yes, 0, right. Number 2. Square root of negative 9. You may say negative 3. Let's see. Negative 3 times negative 3 equals 9, not equals negative 9. So it is meaningless. It has no meaning to find a square root of a negative number. Square root of negative number, it is meaningless. Number 3. Square root of a square equals. What is the number which if multiplied itself you get a square? Or what is the letter? Yes, it's A. Right. Absolute A. You have to take the positive one. For example, square root of negative 3 squared equals, yes, absolute. Negative 3 equals 3. Right. Absolute 3 equals 3. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. And the square root of negative 3 power 2 can equals as its square root of 9. Yes. Let's see another example. Square root of negative 4 over 5 all square equals. You have to divide this number by 2 or place the absolute of negative 4 over 5 equals, yes, 4 over 5, because the absolute delete the negative sign. Remember, number 4, square root of a square b square equals, yes, square root a square times square root b square. You can distribute the square root on the two letters. Equals a times b equals ab, right? What else? Remember number 5, and this is the last case. If x square equals a, where a bigger than or equal to 0, it means this is not a negative number, then x equals positive or negative square root a. Okay? Find each of the following in the simplest form. Square root of 36. This is question 1. What is a number which, if multiplied by itself, you get 36 equals, yes, excellent, 6. Number 2, positive or negative square root 2 1/4. It is a complex problem. No, it's easy. You have to place positive or negative as it and multiply 2 times 4. Yes, excellent, 8, and add the 1. Becomes 9 over 4. As we distributed before, the square root on the two terms, if they are multiplied, you can distribute also the square root on the numerator and the denominator. Yes. Let's see. Equals positive or negative. Square root 9 over square root 4 equals positive or negative. Yes. What is a number which, if multiplied by itself, get 9? 3. Excellent. What about the 4? What times itself gets 4? Excellent. It's 2. Question 3, or problem number 3. Square root 16 plus 9. Is it equal to square root 16 plus square root 9? No. Because you can't distribute the square root on the two terms if they have plus or minus. Okay? It is equal to square root 16 plus 9. Find addition. Yes, 25 equals 5. Right. Number 4. Square root 100 minus 36. It is not equal to square root 100 minus square root 36. It will be wrong. So you have to subtract first. Square root 100 minus 36 equals, yes, 64. Equals, what is the number which, if multiplied by itself, gets 64? Perfect. It's 8. Question 5. Square root of 0.64 equals. Is it difficult? No, it's very easy. Concentrate, please. We have here decimal point after 2 digits from the right. It means it is 64 over 100, right? Equals square root 64 over square root 100. Yes, perfect. What is the number which if multiplied by itself gets 64? We made it before in the last example, the previous one. It's 8, right? What about the 100? Yes, what is the number which if multiplied itself gets 100? Excellent, 10. You can do simplifying. Divided by 2 equals 4, divided by 2 equals 5. Let's see in the next page another example. Square root 441. In a simple way, you can use your calculator. But I don't want to use the calculator now. I want to make your mind go. You can factorize 441 divided by the prime number. What are the prime numbers? Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. This number is not divisible by 2 because it is an odd number. Starts with 1. So you can divide by 3 and see. 4 divided 3 equals 1. Place the 1 here. 14 divided 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. Under 2. 21 divided 3 equals 7. You can also try to divide by 3. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 7 equals 12. The sum of the digits is 12 and 12 divisible by 3. Yes. 14 divided 3 equals 4. 4 by 3 equals 12. Right. And there is remainder 2. Place the 2 here. 27 divided 3 equals 9. Excellent. Try to divide by 3. It can't be. 49 divided 5 can't be also. You can divide by 7. Yes. 49 divided 7 equals? Right, 7. What else divided by 7 equals 1? So you have to find the factorization of 441 equals 3 twice multiplied 7 twice equals 3 twice multiplied by 7 twice. It's an easy problem now. Equals 3 times 7 equals 21. Excellent. I have more 2 examples. Negative 2 over 7 multiplied 49 over 4 multiplied 2 over 7 all square. Concentrate please. Here, negative 2 over 7 times square root of 49. Yes, equals 7 over square root of 4 equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 4. 7 times 7 equals 49. You can find it easily. Divide by 7 equals 1, divide 7 equals 7. Divided 2 equals 1, divided 2 equals 2. Negative 2 times 1 equals negative 2. Negative 2 times 2, negative 4 over 7 by 1 by 7 equals 49. The last question for this lesson. If the area of a square is 1.44 centimeters square, find its perimeter. You know that area equals side square equals 1.44. Can use your calculator to find side equals square root of 1.44 equals square root of 1.44 gets 6 over 5 centimeter. To find this perimeter, equals side times 4 equals 6 over 5 times 4 equals 6 by 4, 24 over 5 equals centimeter. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.